Hello, I'm here to show you how to create the Mother's Day bow D. It's a smaller bow and it's got 4 layers and pink and green pretty. All right, so I'm gonna get started. I'm gonna get the bow dabber out, put my string, one of the strings that came in your pack, and then open up the kit. It came layered in the order that we're going to be putting them into the bow dabra. So take out one set, and it might have gotten shifted in the shipping, but it's fine. We can make adjustments as we go. So go ahead and take out a set and then flip it over. We're going to take the first layer, flip it upside down, and we're going to go ahead and put this down here. I'm just shoving it through the middle and pushing it all down and doing it at an angle. So I'm going to pick, I don't know why, but I have this habit of always picking the first bow that needs to go diagonal to the right. So flip over the next one. We're going to shove this down in here. Okay. I dipped the ends of the ribbons that we're going to unravel, or at least I was seeing unravel, into glue, so you will not have this problem. All right, next ribbon flipped over. I don't think it matters too much if this one's flipped or not because it's shiny on both sides. So we're gonna put this in there in the middle, and it's a thinner ribbon, so it's a little bit more hard to handle, but it's fine. Just shove it in there, opposite direction. Oh, yeah, and that pink and the green looks like it was a little uneven, so I evened it out. Shove this one in there. It's fine, just as long as it's in there some way, it's not totally popping out, it's good. All right, then I'm gonna take the rickrack, and I like to put the rickrack right in the middle. Everything is going in opposite directions. Having it in the middle, I think looks good. So now, also look, when you push down, it kind of pushes the pink one. So that's why it's not such a big deal to have that pink one perfectly, because this helps the rickrack. And then now we're gonna use this tool from your bow dabra and bow dabra mini. I get asked that all the time what size this is. It's the mini. Shove this down as far as it'll go, and I give it a good push here. All right, then lose that and tie a knot. This knot needs to be pretty tight. We want everything to stay in place while we get this out of the bow dabra. Use a thumb, finger, whatever you'd like, and pull your ribbon out. The bow dabra is great because it's like having an extra set of hands holding onto your ribbons for you while you tie your knot and get it all assembled. Okay, so now I'm gonna flip it over, and this is where I make my big knot, where, but I mean, not big, but in size, but just in tightness. Like I pull it super tight. Okay, and then I do a double knot. Okay, was that a double knot or a single knot? Well, double, single, whatever, it's really tight. I'm gonna put another one just because it makes me feel more confident that it's not gonna move. Okay, so now I'm gonna cut these off. All right, kind of move them to the side. You can cut them even shorter, it's fine. Okay, so now I am gonna cut this one a little bit more. Okay, so now we're ready for the flower. Oh, and I forgot to mention in the beginning of the video, you need to have a glue gun. Did I say that? I can't remember anymore. Okay, so we're gonna add the glue here in the center. Good little dollop. And add the bow center. Shove it down so it's nice and glued. And that's all there is to it. Bow D of Mother's Day bows. Let me know if you have any questions or comments. You're welcome to email me. You should see that in the description, my email address. Okay, thank you.